Hi, good morning guys. So late na nga tayo nagising and for today's video ay may ganap nga tayo. And dahil nga late, so kailangan na magmadali. Ayan, toothbrush, hilamos, prepare. So mabilisan lang yan guys. And of course, huwag natin kakalimutan ang coffee. Ayan, so inom muna tayo ng coffee pampalakas. And since ito na nga last week ng 2023, we'll make sure to end it with a bang. Ayan. So, paalis na nga and susundin tayo ng ating mga friendship. Ayun na sila. So, let's go. Ayan. So, these are my high school friends nga pala guys. Ayan. O, diba? Munta nga lang siya guys. And, kala mo hindi nakita kita nung nakaraan. Ayan. Pinilang pa niya talaga. Huh. Ayan. So, let's go. Sa part na nga ito is malapit na kami makarating sa aming pupuntahan. Medyo naligaw-ligaw nga lang. Ayan, nakarating na rin. Nakikita ko na sila yun. Dati kasi may sirena dyan. Nawala. So, naligaw kami. Pero, it's okay. Ayan. So, parking lang. Ready na. Inintay lang namin si Dayan dyan. Ayun na siya. So, we're gonna go, we're gonna jump, we're gonna swim, we're gonna enjoy. Yan. So, plano kasi isa-isa tatalon. Yan. Sa board. So, una si Irvie. Bug. Yan. Promise guys, ang taas niyan. Yan. Si Alvin. Grabe, nakakalula. And then, si Dayan. Diba? Nakakatakot guys. Pero masaya naman. And then si Daryl. Ayan. Of course, papatalo ba tayo? Tatalon din tayo, guys. Oh, di ba? Ayan. So enjoy lang kami. So thank you guys and enjoy.
Cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. Sleep by the ocean. Our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky.